Alright, so today is a practical day, and today we are going to integrate push notification from n8n to your mobile phone. So, what do we need? We need a third party tool or a third party service which is able to push notification. We will talk about this. We need a workflow that we will build, and we need application in our mobile phone so that we can receive the push notification, right? So these are the three things which we need to set up. So let's start with the third party tool. Sign in there and get the API keys. So the tool is that we are going to use today is Pushover, and the website is pushover.net. So let's open the website. So type pushover.net. So this is pushover.net, not pushover.com. All right. Okay. So now click on enter. All right. So this is the landing page. Now look at the top right. You will see login and sign up option. So click on it. Now enter your email ID and your password. But we are the first time user, so we have to register first, right? So look at the bottom section and you will see sign up option here. And here is the link for create a new account. So click on it. All right, now enter your email address and password. Okay, so enter the email ID first. And now enter the password. And now confirm the password. Now the CAPTCHA verification. Okay, so this is something new. So what exactly this is asking for? Select the object that is moving differently than others. Okay, तो क्या अलग है इसमें? सी ये फास्ट मूव हो रहा है, यही अलग है. अरे फिर से पूछ रहा है, ये तेज घूम रहा है. So select it. Okay, verified and done. All right, now click on sign up and done. Our account is created and we got our API key. Okay, so let's close this first. Now, if you look here at the very top, then you will see your API key. And this starts with letter U. Now, one thing that I forget to tell you that here in this third party tool, we need two API keys. And this starts with letter U. And this is user level authentication. So remember this, that if you have the key that is starting with letter U, then it is user level API key. So just copy this because we will need this in some time. Now we will go little down on this page because as I said, we need additional key here, and that is application level authentication. So for this, we will go at the bottom of this page and you will see applications. Means we will create a new application or we will create a API token. So we will click on it. And now it is asking for some details. So you do not need to fill everything here. Just give a name and accept the terms and condition, and that's it. So let's give the name. All right. Now click on this tick box and now create application. So we created our application and now you will see another API key, and this starts with letter A. Means this is application level authentication. So let's copy this as well. Means now we have two API keys. One is for user level authentication and that starts with letter U. And second is application level authentication and it starts with letter A. And you can see the uses as well. So this service is free for the first month and after that it will charge for the users. But as you will be doing this just for the demo purpose, so you won't be charged. So you can see that 10,000 messages are allowed for a month with this account. Okay, now let's go back. So you will see the button here, back to apps. So click on it. And now you can see your application name here. All right, so one step done. Now go back to n8n. And now this time we will be quick. So this is our n8n instance level. And we are going to create a completely new workflow. So click on this create workflow button. Now the first step, let's give some name to this workflow. So this is OpenAI plus push notification. Now click outside. All right, so it's changed now. So let's build the workflow. So first we will create a trigger. So click on this plus icon and now select this on chat message. All right. Okay, now go back. Now next step, attach the AI agent. So click on this plus icon, select this AI. Now click on AI agent. Okay, now go back. Next step, connect the LLM model. So click on this plus icon. We are going to use OpenAI. So search for it. So that is OpenAI. So that is OpenAI chat model. All right, so select it. Now select the LLM model. So let's select GPT 4.1 mini. So this is GPT 4.1 mini. All right, select this and now go back. Next step, add a memory. So click on this plus icon. Now select simple memory. All right, now go back. Okay, so this is our basic structure and I am sure that you are very familiar with this now. So this is the time to connect a tool and the tool is Pushover. So click on this plus icon. Now search for Pushover. Pushover, here you go. So this is Pushover tool. So click on it. All right, configuration time. So the first step is authentication. So we are seeing the credential here. So click here and now it is already saved with me. That is with Pushover account. But you will see the option of create new credential. So click on this create new credential. All right, simple window. And it is asking for API key. But we have two API keys, right? So what to put in here? So this is application level authentication. Means you need a key that is starting with letter A. So just copy that and paste it here. Means in this API key field. And make sure that you are copying the right one here. Means which is starting with letter A. Otherwise, it will not connect. And once you paste the API key, then just save it. And this will connect successfully. So let's close this. Okay, let me double click on it and let's open it. And let me show you my credentials. So this is Pushover account. So I will select it and now I will click on this added button. And you will also see the same screen. When you paste your API key like here, and then you will see the save option here. So when you click on it, then you will see the same message, that is connection tested successfully. And once you get this message, then you are good to go. So let's close this window. And now we are connected with the Pushover. Now the next field is tool description. So leave it default. Next is resource and that is set to message. So that is fine. Next one is operation and this is push. So this is good. And the next is user key. So this is the second level of authentication, means user level authentication. And we have the API key for this. So just copy that and paste it here. And make sure that you're copying the right one, means the one which is starting with letter U. All right, so let me copy it and paste it here. Okay, so I have copied it and now I will paste it here and done. And now the next is message. And it is asking that what message you wanted to send as a notification. So you can write anything here like hello world. So like hello world. But the problem is that it will always send this message, means hello world. Means every time it will trigger and you will get hello world as a notification. And that does not make any sense, right? And we want something relevant, right? So what is the solution? The solution is actually very simple. So if you look carefully here, then you will see few more options. We talked about this, right? So you can see fixed value and the expression. And also you will see this star type button here. So let's click on this button. And now LLM will decide the message for us. And that's what we want. All right, so everything is set now. So let's go back. All right, so let's close this. And now let's arrange them and put it in the little corner here. All right, so this is good. And now let's add one extra tool and that is simple. we are adding a tool for date and time. So click on this plus icon. Now search for the date. All right, so we see the date and time tool. To select this, and now look at this operation. So it is get current date. So this is good, and that's what we want. So this is the tool that will return today's date to the LLM. All right, now go back and now click on this small tiny button that is tidy up. So click on this, and now let's move this little corner. Okay, so this is good. Okay, so the third step now, and that is setting up the pushover application on your mobile phone or tablet, maybe Android or Apple. So search for the application Pushover, then download it and install it, and then log in with your account details. And that's it. Don't worry, you will easily find this on the Google Play Store or Apple Store. But note that this is free for 1 month, at least on the Android. And after that, it will ask to purchase it. Okay, so complete this setup. Okay, so let's open the Play Store. Now search for Pushover. All right, so this is the application. So click on install. And now it is installing. So it is quick. Now open this. And now it is asking for the email address and password. But we already have the Pushover account. So we will log in. Now it is asking for the email address and password. So let me quickly fill in the details. All right, so this is the next step, and it is asking for the device name. So let me give a quick name, and that is LAN tab. And now I will click on this add device. All right, so this is registering the device. And now click on allow. And once you complete the setup, means you have added one device and give it some name, right? And after this, if you come over at this pushover tool, and if you refresh this page, then you will see your device in the list. So this is a device that I have just created, and that was my second device. Okay, now let's go back to the OpenAI. Okay, so everything is set now. And now this is a testing time. So start our chat. Hi there. Enter. Okay, so we got the response. Now ask for sending a push notification. So ask, please send me a push notification. Please send me a push notification with today's date. Please send me a push notification with today's date. Now enter. All right, so the workflow is started. Tools are now flashing around. And done. I got the notification on my mobile phone. So let me take the screenshot of it and let me copy this in this window so that you can see it. All right, so we have asked for the today's date, and this is the notification that we have received. Awesome, right? So you can configure this push notification with different tools in your workflow, and then you will get the notification of events, warnings, errors, failures, etc. So think about them and try to explore it. All right, so this was the easy one. And now this is the time to go one step up. So in the next session, we will be integrating Telegram with our workflow, and we will build a chatbot. Means you can ask any question from the Telegram app and you will get the answer of that on the same chat in your application. So that's going to be exciting. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next session.